President Aquino says he will again meet with Camarines Sur Representative Leni Robredo on their offer for her to be the running mate of administration standard bearer Mar Roxas in the 2016 elections. The president said their meeting with Robredo yesterday went well. Rocky Ignacio reports.
President Aquino is convincing Camarines Sur Representative Leni Robredo to become the running mate of administration's presidential standard bearer Mar Roxas in 2016 elections. In an interview with media in Apayao, the president has confirmed meeting with Robredo yesterday, asking her to consider her plan in the coming polls.
Kung nagkaroon kami ng pagpupulong, si Mar nandun ako, si Leni, si Dinky, dalawang anak ni Leni. Yung pangatlo, nasa exam week niya ngayon sa Philippine Science. So, hindi kasama dun. Yung maganda usapan, yung mga palaisipin, ibinahagi sa atin ni Leni, ating tugon naman dun. Huwag natin kalimutan, parang kung tutusin ka, parang nanay ko, di ba? Housewife, biglang na-trust na leader of the opposition nung pinastang aking ama. Si Leni parang ganun din. Nilalayo ni Jess noong araw, ang kanyang pamilya sa buhay publiko, siya ang talaga nakalantad.
Robredo has requested for more time to think about 2016 after meeting with Roxas in Naga last week. President Aquino is aware that Robredo's children are hesitant for their mother to seek for a higher electoral position.
So, Congresswoman ngayon si Leni, biglang minumukha tumakbo senador. Tapos ng senador, biglang pinapatakbo ng vice-presidente na kinulaktaw. So, yung medyo nakakagulat, nakakabiglat, understandable, lalo din sa mga anak nila, na kung tutusin talaga nag-readjust pa rin sa buhay na wala kalama. So, wala pang tapos na usapan, mag-uusap kami ulit, pero maganda yung parang clearing the air, no? Yung expectation settings lahat nandun na ilagay. Bakit namin minumukay bakit kami pabor na siya maging vice president natin, etc.
President Aquino is convinced that Robredo is qualified and will become a good vice president that will continue the straight path of governance.
Ano madadagdag ni Leni? Si Leni palagay ko positibong imahen, no? Na talagang yung sa grupo ng mga civil society, na non-governmental organizations, ng people's organizations, kung maghahanap ka ng talagang hindi pwede masasabing trapo o traditional politician, para na yun ang isa sa mga mukha nito, si Leni Robredo. Siyempre nandiyan na rin na siyang kasama, kadamay ni Jess sa lahat na nagawa niya sa Naga at sa buong Pilipinas rin, sa maraming pagkakataon, na yung katatagan ng loob.
Meanwhile, President Aquino is elated with the latest SWS survey in which Roxas has slipped for the second slot. The President is confident that Roxas ratings among presidentiables will continue to soar.
Ang punto lang nito, yung 18-point jump, very, very significant yun. No? So, bagamat number 2, sa ngayon, dati, di ba? Parang hindi lang parang malayo ang sinasabing numero. At ito, yung palagi ko mas marami nakakakita na talagang yung pinagtutulakan natin continuity isang dapat talagang mahabulin sa bayanan.
For the People's Television, Rocky Ignacio, Apayao Province.